Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. Madam Glam was kind enough to send me over some new gel polishes, and these are from their Glamorous Paradise collection where they are heading to Hawaii. So as you can see, the names are very tropical. That first one was Hibiscus, and this one is called Glam Volcano. And if you know anything about Hawaii, or at least if you watch the movie Moana, you'll know that there are some huge mountains and some big volcanoes there as well. So, all right, so this one is called Keep Calm, which I assume is a play on Keep Calm. And then this last gel polish here, this one is called Coconut. I absolutely loved the names Hibiscus and Coconut. The hibiscus flower is a very special flower for me because those are very prevalent in the Bahamas. And my very first tattoo is actually 3 hibiscuses. So I love hibiscus. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and quickly swatch these colors for you just so that you can see what the colors are looking like, and then we're gonna get into a very quick and easy nail design. All right, so off camera, I did go ahead and give them a cure under the UV lamp and added some top coat. So I'm using 3 of the 4 gel polishes from that Glamorous Paradise collection. And I'm also using some other gel polishes from previous collections that Madam Glam have kindly sent me. My Madam Glam collection has significantly grown this year, and I'm very appreciative to Madam Glam for always considering me, so far at least, for sending these wonderful gel polishes. The quality is absolutely amazing. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are 21 free, they are highly pigmented. These are 15 ml bottles. Absolutely stunning products from Madam Glam. All right, so my nail, I was opening the oven and the nail melted a little bit or twisted, so I went ahead and popped that back off and put on a new set on my thumb, so just in case I didn't mention that. And I am using a peel off base coat from Madam Glam underneath these nails. So let's get into this nail design. I didn't want it to be completely tropical, completely paradise. That was a very obvious nail design to go. So I wanted it to be a little bit more classy, with a little play on some of the colors. So the thought process behind this is that I wanted a little pink sand, because back home in the Bahamas, we have pink sand beaches, and I wanted to do something a little bit more homey. So I'm doing a little milky pink sand, and I'm also doing like a marble with the browns. I felt very coconut inspired, so or cocoa or keiko. Anyway, for this nail design, I was just throwing a lot of different things together. I knew that I wanted certain colors to be in this nail design, but this design came together by itself. So as with all my nail designs, the design comes to me whilst I do the nail design. So if anyone out there is like, oh my gosh, where do you get these amazing nail designs from, Tia? I don't know. They come to me. All right. I'm going to let you enjoy this video, watch me do the magic on these nails. Definitely, if you feel inspired, go ahead and give these nail designs a try. And I'm going to be quiet for a little bit, let you enjoy me do my nails. Now, I know I said I was going to be quiet, but I just want to explain why I might look like I'm taking really long on this nail. The first color, which was hibiscus, it's a very creamy color, and I wanted this to be a little bit more on the jelly side, a slight translucency. So I've only applied a line of hibiscus down the center of the nail, and I'm using this color Daydream to kind of make it a little bit less opaque, a little less creamy, and a little bit translucency, a little bit jelly. So I'm actually combining two colors here, Daydream as well as hibiscus, and that's going to give me a creamy, pink, glittery, soft pink color, all right? Just wanted to explain that in case you're like, this girl's taking so long on this one finger. I'm doing the exact same thing on my pinky again. What you're seeing me doing is putting a line down the center of the nail as well as the index finger. And then I'm grabbing Daydream, which is a kind of translucent glitter gel polish. And I'm just kind of, washing it down just a little bit so it's not as creamy and opaque on the nail. So I'm getting ready to do a marble nail design, a side French marble nail design. And what I like to do with my marbles is add a layer of base coat. I do not cure this layer of base coat. I just use it. I use base coat as my blooming gel because it is much slower than blooming gel. And I don't want this to bloom fast. I just need a layer of, I don't know, a liquid slippery layer for me to add my gel polishes in and kind of move them around. So now I'm grabbing the different gel polishes that I will be using for my marble. I will add this into the wet base layer onto this nail. And then with a line art brush, I'm just going to swish and swirl the gel polish around until I get the desired consistency. All right, so here's how the nails are looking so far, and you could stop here. They look lovely just the way they are, very simple and very straightforward. But you know, I need to add a little bit of bling or a lot of bling to my nails. Not too much, just a little bit because we need something a little shiny on these nails. So I'm just gonna grab some of these little bling that I got from Amazon, as well as maybe some flowers. I'm obsessed with these flowers, and I'm trying to use as much flower designs as I can because we're now approaching autumn. So here are some flat back rhinestones, bronze rhinestones from Charlie's Nail Art. And I was thinking I would also incorporate some of these rhinestones. I was pointing to it just now, like the dark chocolate looking ones, into the nail design, or maybe even the lightly colored ones, but I wasn't quite sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my bling on to these nails. So here is a final look at the nails just before I file them up. As you can see, that like the edges, the free edge needs to be filed, as well as the sidewalls. And then I added a little bit of cuticle oil, and here is how the nails turned out. If you are interested in any of Madam Glam products, please check the description box. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.